How you guys doing? Dead Price coming back to you with another video. Today we're going to be going over the VWAP, volume weighted average price, and we're going to be going over this on TradingView. So if you guys got TradingView, here are the settings. You're just going to look up VWAP, and it's just going to be all normal settings. You know, this is going to be the VWAP is going to be your most important line. Some people don't use the upper lower band. I'm just going to show you with the upper lower band just to make it easier for people who've never seen it. And we're just going to go everything, basic like that. I'm also going to be pairing it with a 200-day simple moving average right here. That's just because I think without, I think it has to go kind of, with it just to show kind of overall trend. It's a little bit harder to see trend on these smaller time frames without the 200-day moving average. So pretty much what the VWAP is going to be showing you is who's in control of the price. Here on SPY, you can see SPY is above the basis line on the VWAP. So you're going to be saying that buyers are in control here. If SPY was under the VWAP, you would be saying that sellers are in control. So with that, you're going to also say that if price is above, you would be trying to go for calls, and if price is below the VWAP, you're going to be trying to go for puts. You also want to be eyeing the 200-day moving average because you really don't want to be going for puts if price is above the 200-day moving average, because that's also signifying a bullish move. So if you have both these two, price above 200-day moving average and price above the VWAP, that's a nice sign for a bullish move and a nice time to get into calls. And we'll go over some examples here. It's a good entry and exit indicator for sure. So here with SPY, you can see kind of this crazy volatility right off the morning, but where it kind of broke out in the beginning, came all the way down, almost tested the lower basis, almost tested the 200-day moving average, came back, came down, but it finally broke out of this little area of confluence, and then it came over here, started riding the upper basis, rode the upper basis and between the upper basis and the VWAP for a while, and then it made a nice VWAP bounce right here and had a huge run end of day. So that's an amazing time. You're really going to want to base a lot of your plays off of the VWAP bounces and VWAP rejects. Like right here, this perfect VWAP bounce, you're going to go calls, and you're going to place your stop loss right at the low right here, and you're just going to let it ride. You would have been really printing on weeklies there. We'll go with another example. We'll go with Amazon. This was a really, really nice bounce. You can see right off open, Amazon had a nice green candle, broke this 200-day moving average. Perfect entry for scalping puts, or scalping calls, I meant. So you would take into calls right after this break on this candle right here. And you rode that. It rode the upper basis very perfectly all the way up. Did exactly what SPY did. Amazon and SPY are going to move pretty similarly. They're, in the same sectors, tech. SPY is a tech ETF that holds Amazon and Apple, companies like that. So this chart's looking quite similar. Amazon also came from this upper basis in between the VWAP, grinded down, bounced perfectly on the VWAP, and made a nice run end of day. You're also going to see that with Shop. Shop had a really Shop was even a nicer bounce because it bounced perfectly on the 200-day moving average and the VWAP right here. So if you took that bounce right here, that would have been really nice from lunch to end of day, from 5:30 to 5:60 in just one trading day. I'll try to find one where the price is going under to give you one final example. Here, perfect. It's pretty much the exact opposite of what Amazon and Shop are doing. MYRNA opened up the day, came down, broke under the 200-day moving average, broke under the VWAP lower basis, and rode all the way down from 152 to 142, $10 move, and what was that? Not even 2 hours. So come on, guys, for scalps, that's huge profits. started just free floating down here. Like I a lot of people know, the VWAP is also going to be a magnet most of the times, because a lot of people, when the price is getting this far away from the VWAP, they're going to be thinking that they're getting a huge steal buying it here, because the VWAP, you gotta remember, is the average price, you know. So if you're buying it here, you are getting a deal because you're buying it for what, $6, $7 under the average price of what the VWAP is at for the day. And you would have been all right, because it did break the VWAP, and it tested the upper basis, and it stuck around from the upper basis to the VWAP, ended the day just right in between there. So you can see kind of just through those few charts, just on all of those moves happened just yesterday on a 5-minute chart. Very quick time frames, very big moves. You know, if you're getting into weeklies or monthly contracts on these, then you're going to be grabbing a lot of profits. You just got to be timing your guys' entries and exits, guys. You can't be getting in randomly, and you just for sure got to be watching the volume. But I'm hoping this video helped you guys, learn the VWAP somewhat. And if it can help you guys become a better trader, let me know in the comments. And also let me know if there's any recommendations of other videos you guys want me to drop. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.